Look here, I've got my very own wildflower lawn, full of purple flowers. Some type of Solanaceae species. Very pretty. Looks a bit like Apple of Sodom, I can't be sure. Certainly very pretty, and it's lovely to walk through it. They do have little thorns, but nevertheless, it's very pretty and colourful to walk through. So lovely. Gorgeous. On my very own lawn to walk through. Very pretty. The stuff's everywhere. So bright out here in the sunshine. The Australian sunshine has lots more ultraviolet light in it. So bright. Gorgeous. Listen to everybody mowing. The cicadas have stopped, but there's lots of cicadas making a noise too. It's summertime. Hooray! Yippee! Let me demonstrate a person walking through their very own purple flower lawn. That would have hurt anybody. How was that for a demonstration? Hundreds and hundreds of them anyway. And, well, the more the merrier. There's some growing in the semi-shade. The more the merrier. Poison, of course, I presume. So I don't want to eat them. They've got thorns on their leaves too, haven't they? Look at the thorns on their leaves. Just everywhere. Gorgeous. Gorgeous wherever you look. I can hear the cicadas now. Can you hear them? There, listen to that. Beautiful cicadas. Just listen to all the cicadas. See the thorns on the leaves? Pretty though. So pretty. By the dozen, by the hundreds. Some people have violets. I'm the sort of person that has Apple of Sodom. Aren't they gorgeous? I wish you were here. I do. I often think about you.